Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to revert back to your default Windows wallpaper or Windows background. Let's say you got a PC and you've changed your desktop or the PC wallpaper to whatever you like. For example, as you can see, I'm using the Liverpool Football Club wallpaper and I want to go back to the normal default Windows wallpaper or background that came with my PC. All I have to do is to head over to the desktop and right click on the blank space, then head over to personalize, then click on personalize. Over here you see different personalization settings. This top one is to change the entire theme of your computer. You can select between the light theme, you can select between the dark theme to change everything, both the background, both the colors and the taskbar. But head over to background to change just the wallpaper and select from these recent images, being the default images that comes with your computer. This is the current one I'm using. You can see different ones, the neon, the bright and the dark. So once you select any one, minimize and go back to your desktop and you'll see that your wallpaper or your background have successfully been changed. So simple. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Bye.